Here we divide 642 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 2 and it is 42. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 642 divided by 5 is 128 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.